What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Vontae here. Another day, another duty. Today, I'm about to go through our expenses for the whole month of November. It was a slower than normal month, but it still cost a lot to keep businesses flowing. I'm going to take y'all in a deep dive on exactly how much it costs to run a company like Double Duty. I got everything down to the penny for you guys. I got these labeled least to greatest. At number one, we're going to start off with insurance. Insurance ran us about $429.68 for 2 vehicles and business insurance. Nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy, but we definitely want to make sure that we keep our insurance good, especially with plowing and everything like that. I think our rates are going to go up next month. We will find out, but yeah, insurance was the lowest cost with $429. That brings us to our next expense, and it'd be repairs and items that we got to keep up with. Just day-to-day items we got to buy, garbage bags, stuff like that. So this one was it looked like a lot. It was crazy. I had a lot down here, but it was $516 just off of simple repairs and upkeep for the business. All right, this next one, man, definitely surprised me a lot because normally we do more dump runs than this. We only did 3 dump runs, and if you watch my videos, you already know I tell you how crazy dump fees are here in Illinois. But we only did 3 dump runs, but it was still a total of $565. So you can imagine when we're really busy and really pumping, them dump fees, man, they get up there. $565.35. Our next one here is definitely one of our biggest expenses. We're now having a 3rd vehicle. This number will go up, but it's gas. Our gas prices for 2 vehicles for the month of November was $633.49. This number will go up, especially when we're busy. And now is the winter time. We're using our trucks a lot more. You're getting spinning, you're getting stuck in the snow. So this number will go up. You know what I mean, man? I keep it short, simple, and sweet. Don't forget to goddamn like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Double Duty tribe, man. We here. We going to turn this thing up. I'm just on here dropping gems and dropping a little information as I learn, as time go on. So my next one will be marketing. And this one kind of surprised me a little bit. I didn't know we was doing that much in marketing. And I kind of want to probably tone that back a little bit. I feel like boots on the ground is the best marketing you can do. But even that costs, man. You got to buy business cards and stuff like that. So marketing, we spent $688.93. Yard signs, business cards, door hanging flyers, all the way down to our Google ads and Yelp ads. So $688.93. And our next one, dun dun dun, it's the last one right here. This one is always the greatest one, man, because it's definitely the most valuable part of your business. You can't do nothing alone. You go further together. I'm pretty sure everyone has heard that. It's payroll, and it obviously doesn't even touch what any of the other ones were. Payroll for our month of November was $2,350.78. I would love to see this get up. I would love to see, this ramped up. I want to make sure we can grow this business to, definitely a good corporation and be able to have jobs for people, one area to work in, want to give people opportunities to move up and things like that, and to take advantage of, the time we're in right now. Everybody always says that AI is going to take over everyone's jobs, but as you can see, companies like ours, like, you can't get rid of it. Like, you can't make a machine go in someone's house and carry out junk. Like, so plumbers, electricians, the people that's on the ground, boots on the ground, I salute to you guys. Y'all definitely the true soldiers out here. We out here grinding with you. Appreciate y'all for watching, man. Those are the expenses for the whole month. And to come to a whopping total of $5,184.90. That number's gonna get, ramped up like that. You can't be scared of expenses when you're getting into a business. You got to know that comes with the game. You got to spend money to make money. It's just the way it is. But with that being our one of our slower months, and I feel like this is a good video to do it at, because just want to get people to understand, and like, even on the slower months, like, you still got to put money in your business in order for it to to get to where you want to get it to. So I appreciate y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Join the Double Duty Tribe. We out.